All right, let's bring in national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Mike, I'll start with you. It's interesting because all the most important things you need from Michael Proctor, we basically have. If you put him on the stand, and you referred to this earlier, prosecution was basically saying, they were baiting them, saying, you want to call him, go ahead and call him. Because all he's going to do on the stand is explain, yeah, I did those things, it was awful, but I did nothing to fix this case or do anything wrong in this case. That's what you don't want. So I flop back and forth whether he needs to be called because he's such an important part of this conspiracy, or are they okay with what they have? Where do you fall today?
There's so many good answers to that. First of all, the defense made a bunch of promises in their opening statements, and they basically told the jury that their theory is that Michael Proctor's a bad person. He was fired for his conduct in this case, so I don't see how they don't do it and not lose credibility. They made promises in the opening statements. The opening statements were replete with Michael Proctor this, Michael Proctor that. I think they lose a lot of credibility by not bringing him in. But also, as I'm reading these messages, I'm thinking to myself, this kind of helps the prosecution in some way. The defense wants the jury to believe that there was a conspiracy and Michael Proctor was part of the conspiracy. Well, you just read how dumb and stupid this guy is. Are we expected to believe that this moron who could not keep his sick thoughts in his head and had to text about it, but was part of a conspiracy and covered it up and haven't said anything about it in 3.5 years, right? So I think this could be an asset for Hank Brennan if they bring him, which is why I think he was tempting them to bring him. He was baiting them to bring him. And I can't believe where we are, which is I don't think the defense is going to bring him, even after being tempted by the prosecution to bring him. So this is a bizarre world, but I'm having a lot of fun watching it.